Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm taking a look at this power bank from a company called POWERADD, and you can get to their website by going to poweraddmall.com. And they sell a bunch of different types of accessories, household accessories, and this POWERADD brand of, I guess, computing accessories, right? So they have some power banks, some Bluetooth devices, some cables, power strips, different chargers, etc. So I do want to thank POWERADD for sending this over to the channel for an unboxing and kind of a honest review or first look. And we'll just jump right into this. So this is their EnergyCell 20,000. So it's a 20,000 milliamp hour battery. So it does have a Type-C input and output and a couple USB outputs. So the capacity would be, like I said, 20,000 milliamp hours, which is 74 watt hours. We'll just kind of open it up. Just comes in a cardboard box. Get your typical instructions here. So this does have power delivery on the USB-C port, so that gives you up to 18 watts of output. So if you have a device, fast charge enabled using with a power delivery, you can, obviously get a quicker charge than if you just leverage the standard USB outputs. And the USB outputs are, I think they are a little bit, so both the outputs support 3 amps at 5 volts, 2 amps at 9 volts, and 1.5 amps at 12 volts. So there is some adaptability there in the charge capacity. Yeah, so get that. And it comes in kind of like a velour type case packaging here, or I don't know what you want to call it, bag. So it comes in that. You actually get the device itself, and you get a USB-A to USB-C cable that you can use to charge it. So you can charge it. The input output is that power delivery USB-C port right here on the end. So you can use that to charge it, and then it has the 2 USB as well. And there's a little bit of an indicator light here. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of looks like an Iron Man sort of deal. You can press the button in the center and it will tell you the charge level. And it's the whole, there's a 4-segment LED there, so 25, 50, 75, 100. So right now it is fully charged. And it's not too big. I guess we'll just do real quick. We'll see how much does this weigh. So the power bank itself weighs 12.9 ounces. So yeah, 12.9 ounces. So shy of a pound, obviously. But it's not too heavy. But obviously, when you're talking about any of these types of devices in the 20,000 milliamp hour plus range, they're going to be a little bit beefy as compared to something that would be half the size or whatever. So we'll just do a quick measurement here. So you got just about 2.5 inches wide. It is about an inch thick, 0.96 inches. So, and then I don't even know if this will measure. Oh yeah, it will, barely. So it's about a little 6.1 inches or so. This doesn't spread all the way. This only measures 6 inches, but it's just about a tad bigger than 6 inches long. So, not too bad, especially on the thickness side here. I mean, it's not terribly thick, so shouldn't have a problem sliding it into any pockets in your kind of daily carry bags or traveling accessories and things like that. Should be pretty simple to kind of slide in there and get that capacity. So I will just real quick, obviously this is going to work, but a USB-C cable on the power delivery port, and plug that into my Galaxy S20 Ultra. Obviously you saw right there, started to charge. It's probably not the best test right at this moment because the battery is almost full. It's 99% on my phone, but it obviously shows charging at 460 milliamps. But again, this is almost charged up. I'll have to do some, but this is now full. So probably not the best test here. I should have run this down a little bit before plugging it in, but I mean, it's charging, as you can see. I don't want to drag this video out too long and have people say, like, why did you spend 40 minutes talking about a battery bank? But, you know, I do like it. Like I said, it is a fairly compact size for what you're actually getting in a capacity perspective. It seems very well built. It's not cheap feeling or anything like that. It's pretty solid. You get your power delivery, USB-C, a couple of USB Type A's, and overall, you know, it's a nice overall setup here. So I'll link to this in the description below. You can get it at poweraddmall.com. If you have any questions or comments or whatnot, go ahead and post those below. And as always, it'd be great if you would consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful at all. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.